Using social media blog to communicate with parents, created by Anna Martinez. What is social media? Social media is a web-based communication system in which people have the opportunity to communicate with others in an easier and interactive manner. Some examples of social media are Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and a blog. In education, right now, social media is like an important topic. This is because now teachers are using social media to enhance their students' learning and also to communicate with parents and administrators. Why social media? Social media because it allows parents in school to share information and communicate more efficiently, which in turn will enhance the parental involvement and communication. Moreover, one tool that I can use to increase parental involvement and communication is a blog. What is a blog? A blog is a technological tool that teachers are now using to improve the communication and involvement of parents. This allows parents to be more updated on what is happening with their children. With blogs, parents can see weekly newsletters about school activities and weekly letters about content of what the students are going to learn that week. Additionally, this allows parents to be more aware of what their children are learning, which they can use as an advantage when they're studying with them at home. How will I get started with a blog? First, I will visit edublogs.com. I will sign up for a free account and name the blog PKA. I already created the blog. Here it is, PKA, and here is a welcoming. And I also have this week's newsletter. So you just click it and then you have instant access. As you can see, it says protected because I made it private so that parents don't have are not scared that somebody else is going to see their post, etc. Furthermore, I also gave access to parents so that they can comment. How will the use of Pre-K blog will impact my parents' communication and involvement? The use of the blog can impact my parents' involvement in a positive way because it will allow them to be aware of their child's education. It will also show them that they are part of their child's life. Moreover, with this blog, they can have a review of the classroom activities, which will give them a deeper understanding of what their children are doing in school. Knowing what they're doing gives them a sense of security that they can trust the teacher. How will Pre-K blog be meaningful for my parents? Parents will be able to see that there are different ways in which they can support their children in their learning while at home. They will also be able to see the different activities they can be part of, address misconceptions they might have regarding an activity or the content that the teacher that me provides for the learning. They will also have the opportunity to ask questions or offer themselves regarding school activities. How will Pre-K blog support my parents' process for enhancing communication and involvement? Pre-K blog will encourage all of my parents to become more active in their child's education. It will also be easy for all parents to use because they only need the link to access it, which will be provided by me every Friday. Parents will have the opportunity to comment at any time and receive immediate feedback from me. How will Pre-K blog support my parents' communication and involvement? Pre-K blog will share current information and will allow parents to share their thoughts on the activity and content. According to the American Federation of Teachers, because of this involvement and constant communication, parents develop a greater appreciation for the important role they play in their children's education. Furthermore, as you can see in this screenshot, it shows where parents will be able to comment on the blog. This is an artifact that shows where parents will be able to write their doubts, comments, and questions they have regarding the activities. They will also be able to reply to other parents, which creates a collaborative environment. Here are the references for, for the information presented in the slides, and here are the media references. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have enjoyed.